this one in particular, I believe it's Team Kazakhstan.
Here, there are always things to tweak and improve upon. You see Kazakhstan doing an exceptional job towards the end of that game.
Team Kazakhstan flying high, achieving the high bar very quickly after the last 30 seconds initiated endgame. The robots ascend into the air, high bar. Wow.
Team Kazakhstan. And now let's hear it for our first Global Grand Challenge award-winning teams. Team Kazakhstan.
And the gold medal for the Al-Khwarizmi Award for Outstanding Supporter goes to USTEM Robotics, accepted on their behalf by Team Kazakhstan.